Hello friends, today I came up with one new update. So Google is uh, looks like Google is testing one new extension that is I think called established extension in the search ads. You can see in image here below the description you can see that one extension type thing established in 2004. So this is in testing phase I think, and using this extension uh, anyone can add their establishment date. So Google is testing placing year of the company was established on Google Ads. You can see that in next to the description. This is spotted by Body, okay, and they posted the screenshot and on X, formerly Twitter. So I think Google is now testing a extension feature. So in this feature, the companies can add year of business that was established in. So this is, I think, one new extension type. I think Google is testing, and in future, Google will launch. Okay, so you can see here in the image established in 2004. So, friends, this is my today update. Thank you for watching me. Thank you.